I wanted to give you guys a walk around of this and kind of show you all the stuff in total that I've done so far. You guys have seen accessory videos, so here's the Colite 1 foot RGB fat whip lights, and then the ox beam rear lights back here. And then I've put this LED bar on the front. And all this stuff, you can see how I wired it up. Wells is in there hiding from me. Not doing a good job. But then I put these high lifter 5+2 15 inch rims on it, and they're true bead locks. I'll show you those. I absolutely love the look of it. It makes this thing look like a trophy truck, and I wanted to show you guys before I got them completely dirty. I haven't even drove on this, but very little. Those are the 32-inch GBC Parallax tires that I put on there. They're 32 10x15, and I will show you all of this total probably gave me 1 inch to 1.5 inches width. So it didn't widen it out a whole bunch as far as that. Another thing, on these tires here, these load rating was 1,050 pounds. The factory ones are like 1,320 pounds. So these are not as load carrying of a tire as the ones from the factory, but I think that they'll be perfectly fine on this. I'll let you know if it's not, but that's still over 4,000 pounds of load carrying capacity total on the whole thing. These wheels, like I said, are a 5+2, and they were super easy to put together, put the tires on, and the lugs, the actual bolts, are grade 8 bolts, and they went together really good. But you can see the clearance in there as far as how far from the rim that the brake is. And I'll give you a walk around of this. What's up, little man? I did. I told him you was in there hiding from me, but I told him you wasn't doing a very good job because I seen you. It probably gave, I didn't measure it before, but it probably gave me, I could tell when I sat in it that it was higher. It probably gave me 1 inch higher of clearance, which is great. And I'll show you here. Doesn't really do it justice in video. But other than that, here is the inside. I've filled this switch panel up, and I haven't put anything down here. But this is for my charging. You can charge USB, or you can charge the regular USB and then USB-C at the top. And then here's for my bumper light, here's for my whip lights. And then the only other thing that I've done is put these mirrors on. The rest of it's, well, actually I put those rock sliders on too. But my wheels and tires stick out a little bit past my rock sliders now. Well, Will's got both doors open. Let me show you here. So you can see even the front do. They're turned a little bit now, but both of these are evened up. They stick out past the rock sliders, probably 1 inch total. And these tires kind of narrow in at the top right here. So this on the rear, on the top contact patch, is a hairline shorter width-wise than the factory one was. But so far, we're about to take it on a ride and just see how it feels with these on here. I honestly, you could even go a 4+3 on these, and I think you would be perfectly fine for all the trails. I didn't want to go super wide, but knowing what I know now, I would probably go a 4+3. And I wouldn't even consider a rim on this that was a 6+1. I think the factory rim is pretty much 6+1 because putting these 5+2s on, and they say 5+2. I'm guessing that there's 1 inch here, and then where it bevels back in this lip is the other 1 inch, and that's how I'm guessing it is. But these 5+2s, they did widen it a hair, but nothing crazy. I told them, baby. They know you're in there. They can see you in there. What are you doing in there?
Tell them your son's right there.
On. So we're down here at the lake, and it's dried up. I mean, way up through there. They haven't, I guess they're letting the dam out and draining it, which they do every winter. And so we'll be able to ride around this whole lake before long. This is Green River Lake in Campbellsville, Kentucky. But it's dusky out, but you can kind of see the rear lights on and the whip lights. I've just got them on auto, and then I've got the headlights and the light bar on down here too. But on auto, they just do all kinds of different stuff. I bet we could go a long ways around through there right now.
Take some pictures of me and Willie and Wells.
You want some pictures of y'all?
Yeah.